How did this become something motorcycle enthusiasts can't resist? Rider's bag. It turns out it comes from the Rhinoceros Walking Mechanics series. Cycling backpack. The front mesh pocket can hold a helmet. You can attach a motorcycle helmet to the sides of the bag using the clip. The mesh pocket can also hold gloves and other items. The front of the bag features a versatile mall system design. The logo is made of reflective material, making night rides safer. The front of the bag has a separate compartment for clothes and gloves. The interior of the bag features multiple pockets for organization. The separate mesh pocket can hold items like a GoPro. The first mesh pocket is for storing documents and similar items. The second compartment can fit a laptop. The innermost compartment can hold a 2-liter hydration bladder. The top features a secure Velcro strap and a hydration tube opening. The shoulder straps are designed to secure the hydration tube. This makes it easier to stay hydrated while riding. There's also a key clip inside. The shoulder straps are adjustable for a custom fit. This ensures a better fit while riding. The back is made of 3D breathable mesh material. The center and sides feature heating ventilation channels. This helps with heat dissipation and breathability, preventing sweat buildup during long rides. There's a hidden waterproof pouch at the bottom of the bag. 2 clips secure it in place, and there's an additional faceting clip on the back. When you use the rain cover, it can withstand heavy rain. This keeps the items inside the bag dry. The magnetic snap fasteners allow for quick attachment of the bag. The pull tab allows for quick and easy release of the bag. One shoulder strap can hold a walkie-talkie. It features SBS zippers. The large zipper pull design makes it easy to zip and unzip. Overall, it showcases a functional, sporty design. The classic black color is versatile and easy to match. Whether for daily commutes or off-road motorcycle adventures, it can be easily handled in any situation.